Oxidation and reduction. Oxidation and reduction we can define in the term of gaining or losing of oxygen or hydrogen. Oxidation is a reaction in which a substance gaining oxygen or losing hydrogen. Reduction is a reaction in which a substance losing oxygen or gaining hydrogen. Note the point, most of the time we will relate the oxidation and reduction with gaining or losing of oxygen, but in some situations we should relate it with losing or gaining of hydrogen also. And oxidizing agent, reducing agent, redox reactions. These are also some important terms related to oxidation and reduction. Oxidizing agent is a substance that has the ability to oxidize other substances. Note that a substance that being reduced is oxidizing agent. Reducing agent is a substance that has the ability to reduce other substances. Note the point, a substance that being oxidized is reducing agent. Redox reaction is a reaction in which both oxidation and reduction take place. Now we will discuss some examples for oxidation and reduction, then you will understand the concept much better. First I will write a simple example. 2Cu plus O2 gives 2CuO. Okay, this is an example for oxidation reaction. Here who is getting oxidized? Okay, Cu is getting oxidized to form CuO. Okay, don't get confused here like Cu or CuO is oxidized. Always have a look for the reactant side where the oxidation and reduction happens. Okay, Cu only it's getting oxidized. It gains oxygen and it forms as CuO. Cu gains oxygen to form CuO. Okay, so Cu is oxidized here. And the other example, CuO plus H2 gives Cu plus H2O. Okay, this is an example for redox reaction where oxidation and reduction happens together. So who is getting oxidized and who is getting reduced? That we have to write here. Who is getting oxidized here? Have a look for the reactant side for the substances who is getting oxidized and reduced. Take H2. Okay, it is not having any oxygen here, but it takes the oxygen from CuO to form H2O. So who is gaining oxygen here? H2. It gains oxygen to form H2O. Okay, reduction means it loses oxygen, right? So CuO was having oxygen, but it loses oxygen to form Cu. So who loses oxygen here? CuO, copper oxide. So it is getting reduced. The substance which is being oxidized is reducing agent. Okay, so hydrogen is the reducing agent here, and the substance who is being reduced will be the oxidizing agent. Okay, then the other example, ZnO plus carbon gives Zn plus CO. Okay, again this is an example for redox reaction, and the oxidation for which substance, reduction for which substance, we have to write it now. Oxidation. Okay, who is gaining oxygen here? Carbon. It was not having any oxygen, but it takes the oxygen from this and it forms carbon monoxide. Okay, so carbon is gaining oxygen here to form carbon monoxide. So the oxidation it's for carbon. And come for the reduction part. Reduction. ZnO, zinc oxide was having oxygen but it loses oxygen to form zinc. Okay, so the zinc oxide is getting reduced here. So which is being oxidized will be the reducing agent, and the substance which being reduced will be the oxidizing agent. Okay, then the other example, MnO2 plus 4HCl gives MnCl2 plus 2H2O plus Cl2. Again, this is a redox reaction where oxidation and reduction happen together. So, oxidation, reduction. Okay, oxidation, we can connect the term it gaining of oxygen or losing of hydrogen, right? So losing of hydrogen means HCl, it was having hydrogen but it loses its hydrogen to form Cl2. Okay, so the oxidation it's for HCl. MnO2, it was having oxygen but it loses oxygen to form MnCl2. Okay, so the reduction is for MnO2, manganese oxide. Okay, so being oxidized means reducing agent. Being reduced means oxidizing agent. Now the topic is effects of oxidation reactions in everyday life. These are the most important examples for the effects of oxidation which is very close to our day-to-day life. Corrosion and rancidity. We will discuss what is corrosion, what is rancidity. What is corrosion? Corrosion means a metal is attacked by substances like air, moisture, acids, etc. The examples of corrosions are rusting of iron, black coating on silver, green coating on copper. How we can prevent the corrosion? The three effective methods to prevent corrosion are galvanization, painting and use alloys. Galvanization means the coating of zinc on iron. Okay, iron is a metal which is getting corroded easily. Rusting of iron is getting very easily. So, we will coat a zinc metal on iron to prevent the corrosion, that is galvanization. And painting is also a very good effective method to prevent corrosion. Next is use of alloys. Alloys means it's a mixture of two or more metals. Okay, alloys can prevent the corrosion effectively more than the normal metals. Then what is rancidity? Rancidity is a change in taste and smell for the food substances which left open for long time. How we can prevent the rancidity? The two effective methods to prevent rancidity are to keep the food in airtight containers, and the next method is flush bags of chips with nitrogen gas. Nitrogen gas can prevent the chips from getting oxidized. I hope you understood the concept about oxidation, reduction and effects of oxidation. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel to get notification for new videos.